Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to learn long E vowel. Write the missing vowel of each picture. Long E sound. Write on the line the missing letter to complete the name of each picture. Write EE or EA. Look at the first picture. B B E E B. Seal 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 seal. Deer 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 DEER. Leaf 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 leaf. Tree 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 tree. Seed 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 seed. Sheep 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 sheep. Meat 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 meat. Beef 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 beef. BEEF beef. Let's repeat again. B BEE B. Seal SEAL seal. Deer DEER deer. LEAF leaf. Tree TREE tree. Seed SEED seed. Sheep SHEEP sheep. Meat MEAT meat. Beef BEEF beef. Well done kids, you're doing great. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.